In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Wise account in seconds. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to type, and what to expect so you can get set up quickly and confidently. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the official app and that your internet connection is stable so nothing interrupts the process. On the home screen, look for the option to register. Tap Register to start creating a brand new account. If you already have one, you'd use the login option, but today we're focusing on a fresh setup. You'll be asked for your email address. Type in an email you check regularly, and double check for typos before you continue. This email will be used for confirmations, security alerts, and account recovery, so it needs to be accurate and accessible. Next, verify your email and tap Confirm. Head to your inbox, find the message from Wise, and follow the instructions in that email to confirm. If you don't see it, give it a moment, then check your spam or junk folder. Once it's confirmed, return to the app. When prompted, tap Next to move forward. You'll now choose what type of account you want. Select either a personal account or a business account. A personal account is best for everyday use, travel, and sending money to friends or family. A business account is designed for company expenses, payouts, and invoicing. Pick the one that suits your needs right now. You'll then select your country or region. This helps Wise tailor your experience, currencies, and verification requirements. Use the search bar to find your country, then tap it. Choosing the place where you legally reside will ensure everything works smoothly. Tap Continue to confirm your selection, and when prompted, tap Next again. You're now moving into phone verification, which helps protect your account. Enter your phone number, including the correct country code. Make sure it's a number that can receive text messages on the device you're using. Accuracy here matters because you'll need to receive a one-time code. Finally, tap Send Code. Wise will text a verification code to the number you provided. Keep the app open and follow the on-screen prompts that appear next. If the message doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment, ensure you have signal, and confirm the number and country code are correct. That's all it takes to start your Wise account in seconds. Stay signed in on a secure device and you'll be ready for the next steps the app guides you through.